Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove emoji from a photo with CapCut application. So the first thing you have to do, open your CapCut application. Wait, hold on until it's open. And now since we want to edit the picture or photo, go expand the features and go click this photo editor. And now we just need to pick which photo that containing the emoji, and now we just need to go click edit button. And to remove this object or this emoji from this whole photo, you just need to go into the shapes and choose this circles shape to make you easier. And now you need to jump into the styles and go click this color picker and pick the color to customizing your circles. And after you're done, you just need to adjusting the size too by drag this point into the inner side and now drag into the emoji, and whenever you're done, go click done, and here is the result. So that is the way how to remove emoji from a picture. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.